Pleasant day to you, everyone. Today, I will be talking about the different lung volumes and capacities. Now, lung volumes are also known as respiratory volumes. Uh, Lung capacities are derived from a summation of different lung volumes. The average total lung capacity of an adult human male is about 6 liters of air. Lung volume measurement is an integral part of the pulmonary function test. These volumes vary depending on the depth of respiration, ethnicity, gender, age, body composition, and certain respiratory diseases. A number of lung volumes can be measured by spirometry tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, and expiratory reserve volume. Now, these are the different lung volumes. First, we have tidal volume, or TV, which is the amount of air that can be inhaled or exhaled during one respiratory cycle. It depicts the functions of the respiratory centers, muscles, and mechanics of the lung and chest wall. The normal adult value is 10% of vital capacity, approximately 300 to 500 milliliters, but can increase up to 50% of BC during exercise. Next is inspiratory reserve volume, which is the amount of air that can be forcibly inhaled after a normal tidal volume. IRV is usually kept in reserve but used during deep breathing. The normal adult value is 1900 to 3300 ml. Next, we have expiratory reserve volume. It is defined as the volume of air that can be exhaled forcibly after exhalation of normal tidal volume. The normal adult value is 700 to 1200 ml. ERV is reduced with obesity, ascites, or after upper abdominal surgery. Lastly, we have residual volume, which is the volume of air remaining in the lungs after maximal exhalation. Normal adult value is average at 1200 ml. Residual volume is indirectly measured from the summation of FRC, or functional residual capacity, and ERV, or expiratory reserve volume, and cannot be measured by spirometry. Next, we have the different lung capacities. First, we have inspiratory capacity. It is the maximum volume of air that can be inhaled following a resting state. It is calculated from the sum of inspiratory reserve volume and tidal volume. It follows the formula IRV plus TV is equal to IC. Next, we have total lung capacity, and it is the maximum volume of air the lungs can accommodate, or the sum of all volume compartments, or volume of air in the lungs after maximum inspiration. The normal value is about 6,000 ml, or 4 to 6 liters. It is calculated by the summation of the four primary lung volumes. TV, IRV, ERV, and RV is equal to total lung capacity. Next, we have vital capacity, which is the total amount of air exhaled after maximal inhalation. The value is about 4,800 ml and varies according to age and body size. It is calculated by summing tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, and expiratory reserve volume. It follows the formula TV plus IRV plus ERV is equal to VC. Lastly, we have function residual capacity, and it is the amount of air remaining in the lungs at the end of a normal exhalation. It is calculated by adding together residual and expiratory reserve volumes. The normal value is about 1,800 to 2,200 ml. It follows the formula RV plus ERV is equal to FRC. So that is all for the lung volumes and lung capacities. Thank you.